Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can customize your profile and Clickup. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Clickup website. So as you can see, I've already opened it. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to this icon. As you can see, has the icon. So we have to click on this. And after clicking on this, as you can see, has the first option for the My Profile. So we have to click on the My Profile. And after clicking on this, if you want to provide the profile details, you can also do that. As you can see, has the option for the title and description. If you want to write the title here, you can also write the title and description here. And now you have to select your designation here if you want to add like the manager and whatever you want to add. And as you can see, the email is added here. If you want to copy the email or if you want to change the email, you can also do that. And the time is also mentioned here, and the status that you are online or the offline, that is also mentioned here. Write stand up. If you want to click on this, you can also do that. It is going to show you that how does it work. So as you can see, I'm going to click on the generate. As you can see, now we have to provide the commands. For example, if you want to click on this and it will be generated, and task, you can also do this. This way you can generate your profile, and this way you can edit your profile and customize it. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.